because as soon as I seen the front of it, I went, it looks like a Pimpmobile. Then I seen that up on the windshield. Custom cloud. Interior, I was totally expecting dingleberries hanging down, leopard skin all over the place, and it's like Monte Carlo bent seat. The whole interior's gone. I mean, the dash is all gone for some reason. And the floor's kind of rotted out down there. Yeah, they stripped that pretty good. Or, well, only the front seats in there. There's a cluster. The cluster is. I wish it would have had leopard skin interior and dingleberries hanging down around the edges. But that's definitely a Pimpmobile. Oh, here's a neat car. Pasco Pimpmobiles. Kind of looks like a Monte Carlo one. Fenders here, I don't think so. There's a HEI, so it's made out of a GM. Must be a Monte Carlo. Yeah, that's got it pretty good. Yeah, Monte Carlo. 76, but Lucas. English. Did something with fenders on the English. Custom cloud. This is actually laid pretty good in here. With the steel part of the fender up here, and then hand laid fiberglass here. It's not homemade. It's like in a mold. Oh, here, yeah, this is fiberglass too. That hood's fiberglass. It's like a fake Rolls Royce. Pasco Pimpmobiles Incorporated. Another junkyard find. Classic Pimpmobile in Largo, Florida. Well, I put the hood back on that. Someone had took it off, and I couldn't even move the hinges. I had to bust them off to get it even close to closing on the Pimpmobile. Yeah, this is definitely some type of kit car. Custom clouds like Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud knockoff. And since this does have Lucas taillights, I'm thinking that these quarter panels are probably Rolls-Royce. Fiberglass. Oh, them are fiberglass too. I thought they might be metal. So just these taillights are probably Rolls-Royce. It says Lucas L769. See right there. I tried to open the trunk, but this whole panel's moving and I can hear it's locked. I doubt there's a key in it. That's so baked. The fiberglass is so baked on it. Yeah, you can still see the lines up there from Monte Carlo. I suppose the back does kind of look like a Rolls Royce. I'm sure that's a Monte Carlo rear bumper. A couple pictures of it while I'm sitting here.